In order to win with Blerp, streamers need to do this one thing. Hey everyone, it's Odyssey, video editor with Blerp. Let's start with the first step towards your Blerp domination, and that is make an account. Look, today's gonna be a quick video walking you through this really basic step, just in case you've never been on the internet before. First things first, log on to blerp.com, click register, type in your email with a password, check I'm Not a Robot, and begin to conduct one of the most anxiety-driven puzzles known to man, the Google Captcha system. Today is parking meters. You're done, click verify, register, wait to see if you're smarter than Google. Ooh, we got off easy with that one. From here you can set your profile to normal or private, set your birth date, and other useful information. Once you've got everything you want in place, click done, and now you're on your way to your very own Blerp moments.
Blerp is amazing! The way of the future.
Good.
The timing.
And just like that, you're one step closer to becoming a god tier streamer, and your community will love you for it. Got any questions, comments, or just want to say hello? Type it down below. See you next time.